we finally got the fucking radiator with the jack out and installed the new one. Sorry, my garage is a little bit of a mess. We got a guy working on his bike in here. Essentially, we got it installed, burped it, everything. Doesn't overheat anymore, which is pretty cool. He's got a kind of rocket bunny style bumper, and we're taking his old fucking bumper off because it's cracked and falling off in places. So we're just trying to figure out the fitment. I had to sand it like right here, and still the fitment's kind of weird. Obviously, you're gonna have like that weird overhang right there, but that's all right. Somebody stole his over fenders, so that is what it is. But I mean, it's not gonna look bad. It's gonna look pretty good. So, I mean, yeah, we gotta get bigger fucking plastic inserts. But yeah, your radiator's installed. Doesn't overheat anymore. It's pretty great. So, the bike right here is getting some like new coilovers on the back. Yes, they are coilovers. You can preload them and everything. It's cool. Dual reservoir, pretty expensive. The bike's not gonna stay blue, according to the owner. So it's gonna be pretty cool.